If you want to know how to find the perfect keywords to rank your website on top in minutes freely, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to makblogs.com, your success partner. Our today's topic is how to find the perfect keywords to rank your website on top in minutes, a step-by-step guide. So, let's begin. Step 1, create a Google Ads account, then click on the Keyword Planner option from the left-hand menu. After that, select Discover New Keywords to start finding keywords. Step 2, in the search bar, type whatever you want to find keywords for. For example, if you want to find an interrogative keywords related to SEO, then type "What is SEO?" and then press Enter. Step 3, next, click on the location icon, type your targeted country in the search bar, select your targeted country from the options provided, and then click Save. Step 4, next, if your targeted audience is the US, select US from the location bar, then click on Get Results. A detailed list will appear, showing more relevant options and additional keywords with their attributes. Scroll down to see the entire list. Step 5, now, the most important point you should keep in mind while selecting the keyword that will rank your website in minutes is the search volume, which should be a minimum of 500 or 1,000 searches. Additionally, consider the competition, which should be low. Step 6 now comes to Google. In the search bar, type allintitle, followed by your keyword without any gaps. For example, allintitle, what is schema as it relates to SEO? Step 7 now, after pressing Enter, you will get the results. The allintitle search operator will tell you how many people use this keyword in their title, specifically indicating how many people use this as a focus keyword. From the results, you should select or prefer those keywords for which the allintitle results are less than 8 because it will increase your chance to rank. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Contact us now.